Assalamu alaikum. This is Babul Hassan. Welcome to my another new video once again. In this video, I love to discuss the most important daily common word, that is to whip up. To whip up, it means quickly make something to eat. For example, you can use the word in this situation. Your mom is cooking some delicious food, and you are feeling so hard, so hungry. Right. So in this situation, you can use the daily common word. For example, Mom, I'm so hungry. You have whip up to something to eat. So in this situation, you can use the word. Situation number two, you can ask your wife in the morning time, can you whip up something to eat for our kids? So in this situation, you can also use the common word and make your conversation in the great way. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.